welcome to the New York City Food and Wine Festival. So it's an amazing opportunity to just get Piñaq out there. So yeah, so when I walk around, a lot of people, so try to get their reactions, okay? You know, like that. Oh yeah, there we go. You see?
Mr. White.
Oh, hi, how are you? You see? Piñaq makes friends and family.
This is delicious. I love it.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Can we ask you if you've seen anything like this before?
Yes, actually, we've seen it quite a few places. Turned upside down.
Have you seen this before?
No, but it looks very cute and interesting.
Very tropical. This is Piñaq. It's actually a liqueur. It's ready to drink. Oh, look, and there's a pineapple. And or it can become it can become a cup. Yes. So yes.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
Amazing. How do I win this?
So you gotta take off that hat. You gotta put this hat and you gotta do a silly dance.
Oh.
There you go.
Gotta hold the pineapple, and then when you're ready, you pass it on. Pass it on to the next dancer. Go.
I feel like I could be on the beach. Wonderful drink.
And your blue is amazing.
Yeah, there we go.
Saffron. Yes.
Give you a feeling of
That is beach vacation right there.
vacation, tropical.
Yes, tropical.
Well, we introduced Piñaq to so many people. It still boggles my mind that there's so many out there, so many of you out there that don't know what Piñaq is, that have never seen it, but that makes my job that much more pleasant because that means that there's just so many of you that haven't tried it, and that's how many people I have to get to. Thank you so much for joining us. Until next time, you guys. Mwah.